In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to show subtasks in the Jira board. This guide is perfect for those looking to enhance their project management skills and utilize Jira more efficiently. Let's dive right in and explore the steps in detail. First things first, you want to head over to your Jira homepage. This is where you'll kick off the process of displaying those ever important subtasks. Once you have logged in and are on the home page, direct your attention to the left panel. This is where you can find the navigation options that will guide you through this task. Look for the filters option on the left. Clicking on this will present you with various filtering options, which are vital for refining your view in Jira and ensuring you're working with the most relevant data. Upon accessing the filters menu, you'll want to select the All Issues view. This option will give you a comprehensive look at all the tasks within your project, including those elusive subtasks that we want to bring front and center. In the All Issues view, you should notice a basic selection situated next to JQL. JQL stands for Jira Query Language, which might sound technical, but don't worry, we're sticking to the basic to keep things simple and user-friendly. By clicking on Basic, you can filter and customize your view without diving deep into advanced query settings. Next up, you'll need to choose your specific project from the Project drop-down menu. This step ensures that the subtasks you want to display are relevant to the project you're working on, so go ahead and click on that drop-down, select your desired project, and get ready to delve into its details. Now here's the crucial step. Look for the Type drop-down menu. This is where you'll specify the type of issues you're interested in. Be sure to select subtask from the options available. By doing this, you're directing Jira to focus solely on subtasks within the selected project, filtering out anything that isn't relevant to what you want to see. After you've selected subtask, take a moment to review your board. You should now have a clear view of all the subtasks within your chosen project board, organized and neatly displayed for your perusal. This view will help you manage work items more effectively by offering detailed insights into smaller yet critical components of your project. And that's it. By following these steps, you have successfully managed to display subtasks in your Jira board, making your project management more streamlined and efficient. Remember, mastering tools like Jira can significantly impact your productivity and command over your projects. Thanks for joining me today, and happy project managing.